Marky, you wanna watch Neon Cat? Come on, let's watch Neon Cat. Okay, I'll put the computer in front of you. There.
Max is probably on.
Look at you, so cute.
He's like, oh my gosh.
To the cat, to the dog. Cat. So adorable. Dog. Kitty. My fat old puppy. Watch the kitty.
They're sick and tired of Neon Kitty. Sparky, you want to try the Mexican Neon Cat?
No? Okay.
Don't look away don't look away if you want us to play it.
He's like, when is this retarded video over?
He's like, please Lord, help me.
Don't worry, only about 2 minutes and 20 seconds left to do the torture, boy.
He's like, oh my gosh. You know? He's like, torture.
Okay, we'll stop.
Let's watch him now.
That number again is 1-833-8025 or go to humanaanswers.com. Call or go online now for
One second, let's go.
get the facts and start living better with a Humana Medicare Advantage plan.
Okay.